Hey everybody, Jared here. This video is a supplement to our video digitization tutorial, and this video you'll learn how to operate the 8mm unit. For the regular digitization, or for the rest of how it works, make sure to watch our other video on how to digitize a video in the Freedman Center for Digital Scholarship at the Covelsworth Library at Case Western Reserve University. Let's get started. So this is the 8mm tape deck. On the switch box, it's number F. And here it is. Now let's take a look over here. Towards the back, we have the on-off switch, which is currently in the off position, and I slide it on. Please make sure when you're done that you slide it to off again. Over here, you see that it's turned on, power on, and this is the eject, and if I pull it, it's gonna open, and it's gonna be welcoming for a tape. Now to insert the tape. So, hold the tape with the part that opens towards the top. If all the tape is on the left, the tape is rewound. If there's any tape on the right, then it's not rewound. Technically, that little bit of tape there, it's still rewound, but we're gonna double check anyway. Take the tape, push it in, and then push it down. And you're gonna hear it load. And then you close this. And now the tape is loaded. Now, there are only a few buttons you need to worry about. Don't worry about any other buttons here. Just stop, rewind, fast forward, and play. You do need to press fairly hard to make it press. If I press fast forward, you'll hear it. If I press stop, you'll hear it stops. And I press rewind. And if I press play, it'll start playing into the computer, which I've already set up, and that's in another video. There it is playing. Don't worry about this number right there. That's part of the software, not part of the unit. And there we go. I stop it, I rewind it. Now, let me show you how to take care of it when you're done. I'm gonna eject the tape, pull it this way, wait for it to come up, pull the tape out. Now, close it by touching the plastic. It goes back inside, close it again, and turn the unit off. And that's it. That's all you need to know about how to operate the Video 8, High 8, and Digital 8 tape unit.